Hello everyone, P141 here. Welcome back to my messy workbench. Today it's just going to be a quick video. We're talking about how to read date codes on Ryobi batteries and combo kits. Now date codes can be very beneficial because batteries typically don't like to sit around being unused for extended periods of time. It can do very bad things to them. So it's beneficial to know when they were manufactured. That way you know how long they've been sitting idle and you can be better informed when buying them. So on the bench here we got two batteries and we got a combo kit, which is what the batteries came from. You can rest easy. This will not be an unboxing video. The box is empty. I will not torture you with that. So what we're looking for on the combo kit. Now this is only going to be for combo kits that actually contain batteries like this one. If they don't contain batteries, you really don't need to know when it was manufactured. So there are a number of barcodes and labels around this. But what we're looking for is this little sticker right here. It's got a barcode on here. Let's see if you can focus in on that. So this is what we're looking for. It's got a barcode, 2 letters, 4 numbers, and then an additional 6 numbers at the end. We're going to disregard those 6 numbers. Now the first 2 letters can vary sometimes, but with everything I've ever bought, it starts with CS. The important part of these 4 numbers right here. So the first 2 are going to be your year, the second 2 are going to be the week. So this was manufactured in the second week of 2019. Now if we look at the batteries, it's actually printed right on them down here at the bottom. So the batteries use a very similar format. We've got our 2 letters, in this case CS, and then we got our 4 digits that are the date code. So this battery was made in the 52nd week of 2018. And then if we look at the other battery, this one was also made in the 52nd week of 2018, though based on these numbers afterwards, I'm presuming they probably did not come off the assembly line one after the other, which is not really a big surprise. So the batteries were manufactured at the tail end of 2018, but the combo kit was put together in early 2019. Not a surprise at all. Of course, you gotta make the batteries before you can put them in the combo kit. As of this recording, it's early June 2019, so that means these batteries are already several months old, but honestly, that's perfectly normal. The thing you have to remember about these Ryobis is they are made overseas, so after they're manufactured they have to be boxed up, shipped over here by boat, and then distributed. So it's completely normal for them to be several months old already by the time they hit the shelves. The only time you really need to be concerned is if you start to see batteries that are excessively old. Maybe they've got like a year or more since they were manufactured. At that point I would be a little leery about them. But a few months old is perfectly normal. You shouldn't have any problems. Now personally, whenever I buy a combo kit or batteries, I like to look for the date code and buy the one that is the newest, simply because I like to get the best chance at getting the most life out of my batteries. So that's what I did with this combo kit. This is a P1811, and this was the newest one that I found on the shelf. I had to dig through it, and this was actually at the very back of the shelf, and it was also in the least damaged box, so there was that going for me as well. So hopefully this helped you out, or at the very least you found it interesting. If you've got any questions, leave them down below.